Hi, my name's Teresa, and I'd like to welcome you all to beautiful, sunny Southern California home of Silvercrest Manufactured Homes. I know it's beautiful out here, and you'd probably like to be out here all day, but let's go inside. I'm going to show you some true beauty. I'm going to introduce you to our Kingsbrook series of homes, and this particular model is the KB34, which I might add was the home of the year. So come on, let's go inside and take a look around. Wow, I know that's what you're thinking when you came inside the door. What an open feeling we have in here. And if you're anything like me and you like to watch HGTV, you know one of the #1 requests people have is open concept, and that's what we have here. And the way we achieve this in our Kingsbrook product line is our 9-foot high flat ceilings, and we have our stacked windows that let in a lot of natural light. In this particular model, we also added some clear story windows. We have a 3-window clear story there, which adds dimension to the room and just gives an extra open, airy feeling to the room. It makes you want to come in, sit down, and make yourself at home. From there, let's go to the kitchen. Is this a beautiful kitchen or what? One of the second most requested items on HGTV is white cabinets, and as you can see, this kitchen has beautiful white cabinets. In the Kingsbrook series product line, 42-inch overhead cabinets are standard, so you're going to have plenty of cabinet space in your home. Along with, and all of our product lines, not only the Kingsbrook, all of our cabinet doors come standard with soft close hidden hinges. Does anybody out there know what that means? It means no statement. You can't get mad at your kids and slam the door. They're not going to get it because that door is just going to simply close. Other items that we offer in the Kingsbrook product line is our beautiful stainless steel appliances, gas cooktops, gas ranges. We have, in this particular house, we have a gas range with a built-in oven underneath. We have a built-in microwave in our island and a beautiful refrigerator, a beautiful side-by-side refrigerator. And let's just say this kitchen makes this home sweet and refreshing. So there's plenty more to see. Come on with me. We're going to come down the hall. As you notice, this hall may seem particularly wide. That's because these are two 15-2 floors. We have 36-inch interior passage doors, so it gives it that great spacious feeling. But let's come into the laundry room. Look at this beautiful laundry room we have. Plenty of overhead cabinets. We got a laundry tub with a base cabinet, and we have a door with a window in it. And the way I look at it, if you have to do chores, might as well do them in style, right, ladies? So come on, let's continue on down the hall. We have 2 bedrooms off the hall, and we have a guest bath. But I really want to show you what's really special about this house. So come on with me. Let me show you the spacious master bedroom with its amazing ensuite bath. Come on in. As you can see, the bedroom feels quite spacious, and that's because of the 15-2 floor again. We have stacked windows, which allow a lot of natural light in here. So as you can see, it's a great space that sometimes you need to just get away. You've got plenty of space to do that. So in this amazing master bath, we have this beautiful shower with the rainforest tile work going, and the tile goes all the way to the floor, and that's because of the linear drain system that we have in the shower. We have the shower tower, which has sprayers in every angle, and that's just amazing. If you want to have fun, you can use one of the shower handles as a karaoke mic. We have our furniture style lavvy in this bath. We have the frame lavvy mirror, which we do in, I would say 90% of our homes, which just gives that extra finished touch to the lavvy. Over here, we have our freestanding vessel tub. Behind the vessel tub, we have our rock feature wall with stacked windows above, which just gives it a great touch for this bathroom. It's not something you would typically see in a master bath. We have a private commode area, which if you're married, you, like me, would think that that's very important to have. And then we have our walk-in wardrobe with double shelves and pulls in there. So again, plenty of storage. You can never have enough storage in your home. Hope you enjoyed this tour of our Kingsbrook series homes. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button below and come see us again next time.